They laughed when you fell, they doubted your silence. They thought you were finished. But in the quiet of defeat, something ancient stirs, the unyielding spirit of man. The world sees only rubble, but in the dark, you lay new foundations. This is not motivation. This is the comeback, a process as brutal as the changing seasons, forged in solitude. If you're rebuilding in silence, this is your field guide. Subscribe to AREV. We don't escape pain, we conquer it. At the bottom, denial is easy, blame is easier. But the first step is brutal honesty. Walk through your ruins, touch your mistakes, accept the collapse. This isn't self-punishment, it's courage. It's mapping the terrain you must now cross. Excuses are chains. Radical responsibility is freedom. You can't control the storm, but you can take the helm. Accepting the fall is a declaration of war, not against the world, but against your own weakness. The blame game ends. Rebuilding begins. See the ruin. Don't turn away. The pain is real, and so is your part in it. Only on this solid ground can you build an empire. Stop fighting reality. Channel your energy into the climb. The comeback starts not with a leap, but with acceptance. The war with the past is over. Now the ascent begins. This is the first law of your return. Begin here. The world is chaos. You can't control it. But your mind, that's your kingdom. Marcus Aurelius said, "You have power over your mind, not outside events." The comeback is won in the silent chambers of your own discipline. It starts with small habits, rising early, reading, training, choosing discomfort over ease. Each act is a vote for the man you're becoming. No applause, no audience, just quiet daily victories. Like the archer, focus only on your stance, your breath, your release. Master your diet, your sleep, your inputs. Obsess over what you can control. The world rages, but your mind is a fortress. Stop raging at the storm. Reinforce your ship. Internal discipline is calm and power. The citadel of your mind remains unconquered. This is the second law of the comeback. Rule your inner world. Transformation happens in seclusion. The caterpillar retreats. The wounded predator hides. Announcing your comeback is a trap. Validation seeking steals energy from real work. True strength is quiet. Let your actions speak. Every hour in the gym, every page read, every skill gained. These are silent affirmations. Let them think you're broken. Their opinions are noise. The comeback trail is not for performance, but for construction. Show your plans too soon, and you invite sabotage from others and your own ego. Become a ghost. Disappear from distractions. Mute the noise. Your arena is private discipline, not public approval. In isolation, you're not hiding, you're forging. When you emerge, you'll be different. The work will speak for itself. No declaration needed. Let your results be your resume. Build in silence. Pain is universal. Most run from it. The Stoic turns it into a sparring partner. Seneca wrote, "Difficulties strengthen the mind as labor does the body." The pain of your fall is raw energy, fuel or acid. The choice is yours. Reframe every regret, every sting as training. The memory of failure becomes one more rep. Loneliness becomes one more chapter. Don't wallow, harness it. Ask, what can this teach me? The obstacle is the way. Your past is not shame, it's a curriculum. Like steel in the forge, pain is the fire and the hammer. Your discipline is the quenching. Don't resent the process. It's the only way to forge real character. When the ghosts of your past return, thank them for the lesson. Every setback is a drill, every insult a test. You're not being broken, you're being built. Turn pain into power. The world is a buffet of weak pleasures, cheap dopamine, endless scrolling, mindless consumption. These are anesthetics, not joy. They drain your will and soften your resolve. To rebuild, become ruthless with your attention. The path to strength is not paved with comfort. Audit your habits. Purge the time sinks and energy vampires. Trade passive consumption for active creation. Junk food for real fuel. Screens for real sleep. Redefine pleasure. Find it in the struggle, not the escape. The burn in your muscles, the fatigue after deep work, the discipline of saying no. These are your new rewards. Remove weak pleasures, and purpose will rush in. Focus your energy on your goals. Choose the difficult path, not because you hate comfort, but because you love your future self. That's the sacrifice for resurrection. Emotions are fire, controlled they forge steel, unchecked they destroy. The man ruled by anger or fear is a puppet. Marcus Aurelius said, "The best revenge is to be unlike him who performed the injury." The comeback is an emotional crucible. You will be tested. The Stoic doesn't suppress emotions. He observes, then chooses his response. Practice the pause. When anger flares, breathe. Observe. Don't react. In the space between stimulus and response lies your freedom. Mastering emotions means you're anchored inside, not swayed by praise or criticism. Insults become information. Despair becomes a signal to rest and refocus. This is the hardest work, fought every day in your mind. But it's the most rewarding. The man who masters his emotions is the eye of the hurricane, calm, centered, unbreakable. That's true invincibility. Instant gratification is a modern disease. We want the summit without the climb, but quick comebacks collapse. True change is a marathon. Cultivate the mindset of a farmer, patient, trusting the process. Ask daily, did my actions serve the man I want to be in 5 years? This question is your compass, filtering out the trivial. Long-term perspective shields you from despair. Zoom out, see the trend, not the day. Patience is active, disciplined waiting. Build habits, stick to your system, let time compound your results. The world wants overnight success. You become a student of decade-long growth. The mighty oak was once an acorn that held its ground. Do the same. Beyond resilience is antifragility, not just surviving stress, but growing stronger from it. Bones heal denser. Immune systems get tougher. So can you. Every setback, every criticism is an opportunity to get stronger. The fragile man prays for ease. The anti-fragile man seeks challenge, knowing it makes him better. Stop asking for life to be easier. Ask to be better. Dissect failures, extract lessons, build better systems. Treat stress as information and energy, psychological weightlifting. A life without challenge breeds weakness. The world's chaos is your gym. Every punch is a chance to improve. Don't build walls. Become so strong you benefit from the hits. Welcome shocks. They reveal weaknesses to fortify. Become a living organism, designed to grow from what would break others. The true comeback isn't revenge or flaunting success. That's ego, still chained to others' opinions. The Stoic comeback is returning as a different man. Don't reclaim your old life. It led to the fall. Build a new one on the lessons learned in darkness. You are not repaired, but reforged. Your values, priorities, and definition of success have changed. Marcus Aurelius said, "Waste no more time arguing what a good man should be. Be one." The comeback is complete when you focus on your own character, not external validation. Your ambition is virtue, discipline, and integrity, regardless of who's watching. You act from principle, not for applause. You help, work, and show kindness because it's right, not for recognition. When you return, it's with quiet confidence, not a roar. People will sense the change, even if they don't understand it. You didn't come back to win their game. You created your own. You have evolved beyond the war. The work is done in darkness, but the results will shine. They'll notice your comeback too late to stop you. You'll move with quiet confidence, unshaken by their noise. This path is solitary, demanding sacrifice and self-mastery. Walk alone, train harder, stay silent, rise like a Stoic. Let your actions be the thunder after the silent lightning. This is the brotherhood of men who choose to climb. Subscribe to AREV. This is not for entertainment. It's for men who come back stronger.